In today's video, you will discover an upload video and earn money app. I found this app while researching ways to earn money with video uploading. Productive is an online website and mobile app that invites you to do video reviews on specific products or shopping experience. Each time you complete a video and upload it, you will be paid in the form of Amazon gift cards. The first step is to register. You can register for a new account by clicking the link in the description below. You will be asked to enter in your name along with some basic information. There are two types of videos that you will need to take. One is in-store video. As the name implies, you'll be taking a video from your phone while in store. Usually this consists of talking about your shopping experience or describing what method you use to pick out a particular product. Record and narrate your process all while getting your shopping done. Second is at-home videos. These videos require you to take videos after you purchased a product. You will either be asked on what you think about a particular product or review the pros and cons of purchasing it. If your video is good enough, you may be contacted to make an additional video on the same product for other incentives. Upon registration, you will start receiving instructions on how to complete video projects. You can earn money with video uploading to Productive database via your iPhone or Android device, and you will be paid within 48 hours. With this upload video and earn money app, you don't have to have a certain amount of money in your account to get rewards. This means that every time you complete a job, you can get paid without having to worry about accumulating more money. Productive is one of the make money video sites. Give it a try yourself and get paid.